For this series in Spacecraft Guide, we are going to focus on the Space Shuttle. We're going to concentrate on the flight instruments to teach you how the astronauts flew the Space Shuttle in flight and in orbit. In this issue of Spacecraft Guide, I'm going to continue to show you how to fly the Space Shuttle, and at the end, if you stay to the end, I am going to show you how you can go deeper into the schematics with me for free by joining up on my Patreon page, the Spacecraft Interactive Virtual Reality Museum. And that is at the end, if you stay to the end. But for right now, we are going to go deeper into showing you how to fly the Space Shuttle. And we are going to learn about this switch right here, the ADI error switch. And when you click on it, it takes you to the ADI error switch, which is the switch right here. Now, what this switch does is it determines the magnitude of full-scale deflection. Where have we heard that before in our displays? When this switch is positioned to high, the coarse is setting. The pointer at the end of the scale represents a rotation rate of 10 degrees per second. When the switch is positioned to medium, which is right here, a full range deflection represents 5 degrees per second. In the low position, which is right here, the finest setting, the pointer at either end of the scale is read at a rate of 1 degree per second. These pointers are fly to in a sense that the rotation hand controller must be moved in the same direction as the pointer to null a rate. So what it's telling us to do is in here when you use the stick, if you can see that up there, if you use the that stick right there, that you use that to move to left, right, up, or down. When you get to a rate that's within the error rate that they want you to get to, the pointer will give you a null rate or 0. So what that means is now your displays here, you will be able to determine what kind of setting you want. And remember from when we were going over the screens a long time ago, I will refresh your memory. The error of high is 10 degrees. That's probably when you're a few hundred miles from the target. Medium is when you're coming up to say 100 to 10 miles, and then the low setting is within 10 miles to docking. So that's what all of these settings mean. Now, if you are a Patreon subscriber, not only are paying but are free subscribers, we're going to go into the schematics of how this works. So remember now at the end of this video, I am going to show you how you can become a free member, which means it doesn't cost you anything. That you will be able to sign up and you'll be able to go with me into the schematics. So if you are a Patreon subscriber, even a free Patreon subscriber, and you click on schematic,